This is a travel day for us. We're currently in Dunlap, Tennessee, heading down to Panama City, Florida. We always travel, typically we'll go the back roads in a lot of the trips that we do, and this one is no different. This series is going to just have a lot of the things that are in Panama. There's going to be kind of something interesting toward the end that you guys are going to have to watch all the videos in this series to check out. We're going to go down to the beach, probably get on a pirate boat for a while, so you guys come with us. What's up, guys? We're now in Gadsden, Alabama. We actually came through Fort Payne just a little bit earlier, and for any of you country music fans out there, that's the home of Alabama. I really didn't get a chance to do any video from there, but they had like a big statue, a big memorial to them or whatever, or just some kind of a big tribute to them. And pretty quiet, interesting little town. And we are just still on the road. As you can see back behind me, we just pulled over for a bit to get something to eat, take a break, stretch our legs. And again, guys, this is mostly going to be just travel for the day, saving you guys a big part of it where you're not having to watch all of it, but you need to hang around. It's going to be a lot of fun. made it all the way down to Dothan, and we're less than a couple of hours away from Panama. looking to be some good times. If the rain doesn't get us, that is. Made it down to Panama and getting us a little bite to eat at this place that's across from our hotel. Food smells good and we're hungry. So